Hello everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing Java 8 new features. Today in the first section, Java 8 introduction. Okay, Java is a programming language that was developed by Sun Microsystem. Okay, Java is programming language that is developed by Sun Microsystem. Okay, officially, it released with name Java in 1995. Java is released in the year 1995 with the name of Java. Okay, officially it released with the name Java in 1995. Java released its 17th version in September 2021. Java released its 17th version in September 2021. Okay, Java released its 17th version in September 2021. Although Java has released its 17th version, Java 8 is the most widely used version of Java presently. Java is more popular than 17th version. Okay, 17th version is latest, it is released. Java 8 is more popular than 17th version. Okay, although Java has released its 17th, Java is a programming language that was developed by Sun Microsystem. Officially, it released with the name Java in 1995. Officially, it released with the name Java in 1995. Once again, I am repeating these all steps. Java released its 17th version in September 2021. 17th version of Java released in September 2021. Although Java has released its new feature 17th version, Java 8 is most widely used version of Java presently. Although Java has released its 17th version, Java 8 is the mostly widely used version of Java presently. Okay, Java 8 is more popular than latest 17th version of Java. 99% of developers are using Java 8 in the industry to develop application. 99% of developers are using Java 8 in the industry to develop application. Okay, that means 99% of the industry is also using this to develop applications. Okay, in every interview Java 8 features they will ask compulsory, mandatory. Java 8 version released on March 18th, 2014. Okay, Java 8 version released on March 18th, 2014. Okay, 17th version Java 8 is Java 8 is released on March 18th, 2014. Mostly used versions in industries. Heading Java 1.5 mostly used. After that, Java 1.8 is mostly used. Java 1.5 mostly used. After that, Java 1.8 mostly used. Today, 99% of the developers are mostly using Java 1.8 version. Java 1.8 mostly used. After coming Java 1.6, 1.7 also Java 1.5 is mostly used. Next Java 1.8 till now mostly they are using. Java 8 introduced a lot of new APIs. Java 8 introduced a lot of new APIs. Java 8 versions changed coding style with those new APIs. Java 8 version changed coding style, little bit coding style with this new API. Okay. Java 8 introduced new API. Java 8 version changed coding style. Java 8 version changed coding style with using those new API. Main aim of Java 8. Heading main aim of Java 8 to simplify programming to enable functional programming, to write more readability and concise code. Mainly to write more readable and concise code, to simplify programming to enable functional programming, to write more readability and concise code. New features in Java 8. New features in Java 8. New features in Java 8. Lambda expression, functional interface. New features in Java 8 features: lambda expression, functional interface, consumer, supplier. In functional interface, consumer, supplier, predicate, function. Okay, lambda expression, functional interface. In functional interface, consumer, supplier, predicate, function. Stream API. Third one, stream API. Fourth one, interface changes. That means in interface using default and static methods from Java 8. Using an interface using default and static methods from Java 8. Date and lambda expression, functional interfaces, consumer, supplier, predicate, function. Stream API, interface changes. Fourth one, interface changes. Fifth one, date and time API changes. Optional class. Sixth one, optional class. Optional class. Special iterator. String joiner. Method references. Java 8 features. Java 8 means we should learn these all features. Method references, very important. Java 8 features are, because using this we can concise the code, readability increase, constructor reference, method reference, and last constructor reference. Collection framework changes. Okay, collection framework changes. Last one, collection framework changes. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay, thank you.